So this is Toby. Y'all have seen Toby, right? He's my dummy. I feature him in a couple of videos. Well, not all y'all got a Toby. So what are you supposed to do if you don't have a dummy? I don't have a person in my house. I'm alone. My cat hates me. What do? I'll show you how to make your own. Okay, so we're gonna need a towel, we're gonna need a gi, and then you should better have at least one pillow in your house. Okay, so now I'm going to take my gi top and I'm going to lay it down like that, okay? Then I'm going to take my towel, okay, and we're going to take the long way, okay, like this, and we're going to roll it the long way. So, boop, fold it over, 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 boom. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take our arms and we're going to feed them through. So I'm going to take this part of the towel and kind of just shove it through the sleeve. And then I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing and try and make them even. Now, I'm going to take my pillow and I'm going to try and stuff the corners into the shoulders, and the rest of it just lays down like this. Okay, so here we go. This is our dummy. It has arms, it has a surface. We can, go knee on belly, we can do side control, we can come up, we can do arm bars, a lot of stuff with me and my little friend. Okay, if you're feeling uppity, you can take your gi pants and stuff towels in those. That was easy and simple enough, right? Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope that now you can make your own dummy at home if you don't have one, using stuff you should totally have at your house. And then follow along to my dummy drill videos and keep trying to get better at jiu-jitsu, alright? Alright, see you next time.